In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu in the UK. Let's dive in. Hulu is not officially available in the UK due to regional restrictions, but you can access it using a VPN, virtual private network. Start by subscribing to a reliable VPN service like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark that works with streaming platforms. Download and install the VPN app on your device, phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV compatible device. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States, as Hulu is only available there. Once connected, go to www.hulu.com or download the Hulu app from your device's app store. Sign in with your Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one while still connected to the US server. For payment, ensure your billing method supports international transactions or use a gift card to avoid issues. Keep the VPN active while streaming to maintain access. That's it. You can now enjoy Hulu in the UK. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.